The Pacific Ocean begins our journey across Earth's greatest marine wilderness. From above, this immense ocean hides extraordinary worlds beyond human imagination. Morning sunlight reveals an ocean connecting distant habitats across unimaginable distances. Powerful waves carry the hidden energy, shaping every corner of this vast ocean. Invisible currents transport life through the Pacific with relentless strength every day. These powerful ocean highways quietly influence climates, wildlife, and distant coastlines worldwide. Remote islands emerge from the Pacific, where ocean and fire continually reshape Earth. Every shoreline marks another gateway into the Pacific's remarkable marine ecosystems. Beyond familiar coastlines, the Pacific conceals countless habitats filled with extraordinary marine life. Our exploration now begins beneath the Pacific, where incredible underwater worlds slowly come into view. Sunlight reaches only the upper ocean, where countless marine species begin each new day together. The Pacific Ocean supports immense schools of fish, moving together with astonishing precision and purpose.
Ancient sea turtles navigate the Pacific Ocean using instincts refined across millions of remarkable years. Highly intelligent dolphins thrive within the Pacific, communicating constantly while exploring the endless sea together.
The largest animal ever known quietly journeys through the vast Pacific Ocean with unmatched grace. Even the ocean's greatest giant depends upon tiny marine life drifting throughout the Pacific. Delicate moon jellyfish float effortlessly through Pacific waters, surviving within ever-changing ocean currents. With increasing depth, the Pacific Ocean slowly transforms into a mysterious world beyond familiar daylight. Beneath the Pacific Ocean, towering underwater landscapes rival Earth's greatest mountains and valleys. As daylight begins fading behind us, the Pacific Ocean prepares to reveal even greater wonders ahead. Deeper Pacific waters challenge every creature with fading light and increasing pressure each passing moment. Only a fraction of sunlight now enters this immense Pacific Ocean beneath the restless sea. Tiny drifting plankton quietly sustain nearly every living creature throughout the Pacific Ocean food web. Survival within the Pacific often depends upon cooperation against the ever-present dangers of the sea. Powerful predators patrol these Pacific waters with remarkable speed, precision, and endless determination every day. Every movement beneath the Pacific Ocean reminds smaller creatures that survival is never guaranteed. Beyond the open sea, vast underwater landscapes stretch farther than human eyes can ever witness. Each descending meter reveals another extraordinary environment hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. Ahead, warmer Pacific waters shelter vibrant underwater communities unlike anywhere else across the vast ocean. Warmer Pacific waters nurture thriving marine ecosystems filled with extraordinary diversity beyond imagination. Sunlit Pacific seas support vibrant underwater landscapes where countless marine species flourish together every day. Coral communities quietly build the living foundations supporting life throughout these remarkable Pacific waters. Every coral formation creates shelter for thousands of marine creatures living within the Pacific Ocean. Gentle ocean currents allow elegant marine animals to travel effortlessly across the Pacific seafloor.
Sea turtles return repeatedly to familiar Pacific habitats, despite crossing enormous ocean distances.
Bright reef fish transform the Pacific Ocean into one of Earth's richest underwater spectacles today. From above, these Pacific waters appear peaceful, while extraordinary life continues beneath every gentle wave. The Pacific Ocean connects thriving reefs with remote islands through endless blue seas rich in life. Our journey now enters the Pacific's magnificent coral reefs, where the next chapter truly begins. The Pacific Ocean now reveals one of Earth's richest underwater habitats, filled with extraordinary marine life. Every section of this Pacific reef supports thousands of remarkable species living together in perfect balance. Complex coral structures provide food, shelter, and protection throughout these vibrant Pacific waters every single day. Life within the Pacific Ocean depends upon countless invisible relationships linking every marine species together. Elegant giants travel effortlessly across the Pacific, guided by ocean currents older than human history. Sunlight nourishes these extraordinary Pacific ecosystems before darkness slowly transforms the underwater world. Only a small portion of the Pacific's incredible biodiversity has been explored by modern science. Beyond these reefs, countless unexplored habitats continue across the immense Pacific Ocean, awaiting discovery. Ahead lies an underwater metropolis, where coral reefs become the foundation of an astonishing living world. Our Pacific journey now enters these magnificent coral cities, where the next chapter begins beneath the sea. Here, the Pacific Ocean reveals thriving coral cities, supporting one of Earth's richest marine ecosystems. Every coral colony within the Pacific Ocean provides food, shelter, and protection for countless marine species. These coral structures have slowly grown for centuries beneath the warm waters of the Pacific Ocean. Schools of fish move together with remarkable precision, creating constant motion throughout the Pacific Reef. Tiny clownfish survive by forming extraordinary partnerships within the Pacific Ocean's living coral communities. Soft ocean currents keep these remarkable Pacific habitats alive, with constant movement and endless energy. Every corner of the Pacific Reef supports specialized marine life, perfectly adapted to its surroundings. Massive coral formations create entire underwater neighborhoods beneath the Pacific Ocean for countless generations. Ancient sea turtles continue returning to these Pacific reefs long after each incredible ocean migration. As we explore deeper, the Pacific Ocean reveals even more extraordinary coral communities waiting beneath the sea. Deeper Pacific coral reefs shelter countless hidden species rarely observed by human eyes. Every coral passage becomes a bustling underwater street, supporting constant marine activity throughout the Pacific. Hidden predators patiently wait among Pacific corals before striking with astonishing speed and precision. Parrotfish constantly recycle coral into fine white sand across the Pacific Ocean every single day. Remarkable cooperation helps countless Pacific marine species remain healthy throughout their underwater lives. Reef sharks quietly maintain balance within these thriving Pacific Ocean ecosystems without constant aggression. Every movement inside the Pacific Reef instantly changes the behavior of surrounding marine life. Towering coral walls create spectacular underwater landscapes extending far beneath the Pacific Ocean surface. Tiny coral animals together construct enormous reefs, supporting extraordinary Pacific Ocean biodiversity through time. Beyond this reef, the Pacific Ocean unveils even greater underwater cities, thriving beneath the sea. This immense Pacific Reef continues for kilometers, supporting one of Earth's greatest marine communities. Millions of reef fish transform the Pacific Ocean into a constantly moving underwater metropolis filled with life. Ancient brain corals have slowly expanded beneath the Pacific Ocean for countless generations of marine life. Gentle ocean currents keep every Pacific coral colony alive through constant circulation and nourishment.
Graceful eagle rays glide effortlessly through Pacific waters, searching the seafloor for hidden prey.
Highly intelligent octopuses constantly adapt to survive within the complex Pacific Reef environment. Perfect camouflage allows remarkable Pacific marine creatures to disappear almost instantly beneath the sea. Even powerful ocean predators depend upon tiny reef species to remain healthy throughout their lives. Beyond these thriving coral gardens, another extraordinary Pacific habitat is waiting beneath the sea. The Pacific Reef slowly fades into deeper waters where entirely different marine communities begin to appear. Isolated coral formations create countless small habitats across the warm Pacific Ocean seabed. Large schools of fish constantly reshape the rhythm of life throughout the Pacific coral ecosystem. Patient predators rely upon the Pacific Reef's natural complexity to surprise unsuspecting prey. Flexible sea fans capture drifting nutrients carried continuously through the Pacific Ocean by gentle currents. Giant clams quietly filter Pacific waters while supporting countless microscopic marine organisms every day. Every sunrise brings renewed activity across the thriving coral reefs of the Pacific Ocean. The reef's outer wall marks the boundary between brilliant coral gardens and the open Pacific. Beyond this reef edge, larger ocean wanderers begin their endless journeys through the Pacific. Leaving the coral cities behind, the Pacific Ocean opens into an endless realm filled with new possibilities. Manta rays travel effortlessly through the Pacific, connecting distant reefs across the boundless ocean.
Highly intelligent dolphins navigate the Pacific Ocean with remarkable coordination, curiosity, and extraordinary social behavior.
Every Pacific island depends upon the surrounding ocean for life, food, and constant renewal. Across the Pacific Ocean, isolated islands become stepping stones, linking countless marine ecosystems together. Far below the sea surface, magnificent coral cities continue supporting extraordinary marine biodiversity every single day. Beyond the reefs, the Pacific Ocean expands into a world ruled by immense distance and powerful migrations. Our journey now follows the great ocean giants whose lives define the endless Pacific beyond the coral reefs. The greatest giants of the Pacific Ocean begin their endless journey across Earth's largest marine wilderness.
Despite its immense size, the blue whale feeds upon the smallest creatures drifting through the Pacific.
Millions of tiny krill sustain the largest animal ever known within the Pacific Ocean. Tiny ocean organisms quietly support the immense food web, stretching across the Pacific. Every powerful breath reminds us these ocean giants remain air-breathing mammals despite their aquatic lives. Across the Pacific Ocean, blue whales travel thousands of kilometers following seasonal ocean productivity. Few marine animals rival the astonishing scale and quiet strength of the Pacific blue whale. Every graceful movement conserves precious energy during extraordinary migrations across the Pacific Ocean. Occasionally, these solitary giants encounter one another while crossing the immense Pacific Ocean together. Beyond these giants, even more remarkable ocean travelers await across the boundless Pacific. These magnificent blue whales continue their migration across the immense Pacific Ocean without ever slowing. Humpback whales undertake extraordinary Pacific migrations between feeding grounds and distant tropical breeding waters. Every powerful dive carries the humpback deeper into the rich waters of the Pacific Ocean.
Remarkable hunting techniques allow humpback whales to capture enormous quantities of prey throughout the Pacific.
Confused fish become trapped as whales coordinate perfectly beneath the Pacific Ocean surface.
Young whales remain beside their mothers while learning survival across the immense Pacific Ocean.
Long migrations strengthen the future of whale populations living throughout the vast Pacific Ocean. Ahead, another legendary giant prepares to descend into the deepest Pacific waters. The sperm whale begins an extraordinary journey into the deepest regions of the Pacific Ocean. Each powerful dive carries the sperm whale far below the familiar waters of the Pacific. Immense lungs and remarkable physiology allow this giant to survive extreme Pacific Ocean depths. Hidden within these Pacific depths, giant squid await the arrival of their greatest predator. Successful hunts provide the enormous energy required for life in the vast Pacific Ocean. After every deep dive, the sperm whale must return toward the Pacific Ocean's surface to breathe. Fresh ocean air renews the giant before another remarkable expedition beneath the Pacific begins. Across the open Pacific Ocean, another powerful hunter now enters our extraordinary marine journey. Orcas dominate the Pacific Ocean through extraordinary intelligence, teamwork, and unmatched hunting precision. Every pod follows experienced leaders, guiding generations safely across the immense Pacific Ocean. Complex vocal communication strengthens cooperation among these remarkable Pacific Ocean apex predators every single day. Perfect teamwork allows orcas to control enormous schools of fish throughout the Pacific Ocean.
Each coordinated movement demonstrates why orcas remain among the Pacific Ocean's most successful marine hunters.
Ocean predators often attract seabirds that eagerly search for feeding opportunities above the Pacific.
Every Pacific Ocean encounter highlights the strength, speed, and intelligence of these remarkable marine mammals.
Powerful yellowfin tuna cross the Pacific Ocean with remarkable endurance, connecting distant marine habitats through migration. Across this boundless ocean, every migration follows ancient routes, shaped by currents and changing seasons. Leaving the open Pacific behind, our journey now approaches an entirely different underwater environment. Ahead, towering underwater forests shelter extraordinary marine life, including various types of fish and invertebrates, unlike the open Pacific Ocean. Our journey now enters the Pacific Ocean's magnificent kelp forests, where another remarkable ecosystem begins. Towering kelp forests create one of the Pacific Ocean's most productive and extraordinary underwater ecosystems.
These underwater forests provide food, shelter, and protection for countless Pacific Ocean marine species.
Constant ocean currents keep these towering Pacific kelp forests healthy throughout every changing season. Every layer of this Pacific forest supports remarkable marine life, perfectly adapted to underwater living. Even seemingly motionless creatures play essential roles throughout the Pacific Ocean kelp ecosystem. Countless fish find shelter among towering kelp stretching upward through the Pacific Ocean. Sunlight powers these magnificent Pacific forests, sustaining extraordinary marine biodiversity beneath the sea. Deeper within these Pacific forests, even more fascinating marine life is waiting to be discovered. Deeper Pacific kelp forests provide countless hidden refuges for extraordinary marine species beneath the sea. Dense underwater forests allow Pacific marine life to travel safely through constantly changing ocean environments.
Sea lions navigate Pacific kelp forests with remarkable agility while searching for abundant marine prey. Fast underwater pursuits demonstrate the extraordinary hunting skills developed within Pacific kelp ecosystems.
Sea urchins constantly graze beneath Pacific kelp forests, influencing the health of the entire ecosystem.
Balanced predator relationships allow Pacific underwater forests to flourish across enormous coastal regions. Every ray of sunlight strengthens the Pacific Ocean's remarkable underwater forests through continuous natural growth. Beyond these thriving forests, larger marine predators quietly patrol the Pacific Ocean in search of opportunity. Within the darker Pacific kelp forests, larger marine predators silently patrol these underwater hunting grounds. Rocky reefs beneath Pacific kelp forests create additional shelter for countless marine species every day. The giant Pacific octopus masters camouflage while navigating these extraordinary underwater forests with remarkable intelligence. Instant camouflage allows the giant Pacific octopus to avoid danger while ambushing unsuspecting marine prey. Tiny marine creatures provide essential nutrition, supporting every level of the Pacific kelp ecosystem. Towering kelp forests transform sunlight into abundant life throughout the Pacific Ocean every single day. These underwater forests rank among the Pacific Ocean's most productive and valuable marine ecosystems. Beyond these remarkable Pacific forests, another extraordinary marine environment is waiting to be explored. Leaving the kelp forest, the Pacific Ocean reveals dramatic underwater cliffs supporting entirely different marine communities. Steep, rocky cliffs create countless sheltered habitats throughout the Pacific Ocean coastal ecosystem. Dense schools of rockfish thrive, where Pacific currents deliver continuous supplies of nutrients. Ancient sea sponges quietly filter Pacific waters while supporting countless microscopic marine organisms. Powerful ocean currents continually nourish these Pacific coastal habitats with drifting marine life. Patient ambush predators remain perfectly hidden until unsuspecting prey enters striking distance beneath the Pacific. Even the rocky Pacific seafloor flourishes with extraordinary marine life, adapted to constant ocean movement. Marine mammals frequently return from the surface to hunt within these productive Pacific coastal waters. Harbor seals navigate Pacific coastal habitats with remarkable agility while searching for abundant marine prey. Far beyond these coastal waters, the Pacific Ocean hides even more extraordinary underwater worlds awaiting discovery. Far beyond the coastline, the Pacific Ocean opens into deeper waters shaped by extraordinary geological forces. Hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean, ancient underwater plateaus support remarkable marine ecosystems far from land. Gigantic rock formations silently record millions of years within the ever-changing Pacific Ocean. Immense underwater canyons guide nutrient-rich currents throughout the Pacific Ocean every single day. Nutrient-rich Pacific currents sustain enormous marine food webs across vast underwater landscapes. Every Pacific habitat remains connected through powerful ocean currents and seasonal migrations across the sea. The Pacific Ocean links forests, reefs, cliffs, and open waters into one extraordinary living system. Even volcanic Pacific environments support delicate corals thriving in complete darkness beneath the sea. Remarkable crustaceans successfully inhabit the harsh volcanic landscapes of the Pacific Ocean every single day. Vast underwater ridges reveal the extraordinary geological power hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. Ahead, an immense Pacific Ocean trench leads toward one of Earth's most mysterious underwater realms. Immense trenches reveal the Pacific Ocean's deepest volcanic landscapes, shaped by relentless geological forces. Towering trench walls preserve millions of years of volcanic history beneath the Pacific Ocean. Ancient volcanic fractures silently record the immense forces constantly reshaping the Pacific Ocean floor. Tiny living lights become the only illumination across the deepest Pacific Ocean waters. Bioluminescent creatures transform the Pacific abyss into a silent world filled with mysterious light. Every glowing creature hints at extraordinary ecosystems hidden throughout the deepest Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean Twilight Zone marks the beginning of a mysterious world where sunlight slowly disappears forever. Lanternfish dominate the Pacific Ocean Twilight Zone as one of Earth's most abundant vertebrate populations. Every night, billions of lanternfish migrate upward across the Pacific Ocean, searching for food. Bioluminescent light allows countless Pacific Ocean creatures to communicate, hide, and survive beneath the sea. Home jellies create dazzling displays while silently drifting across the mysterious Pacific Ocean depths. Every descending meter reveals increasingly unfamiliar life throughout the hidden Pacific Ocean twilight zone. Remarkable squid navigate the Pacific Ocean using speed, camouflage, and astonishing underwater intelligence. Only the faintest traces of daylight remain within the mysterious Pacific Ocean twilight zone. Hatchetfish use bioluminescent organs to disappear into the dim waters of the Pacific Ocean. Reflective bodies help many Pacific Ocean creatures avoid predators within this fading underwater light. Bristlemouth fish are among the most numerous vertebrates living throughout the Pacific Ocean. The vampire squid survives within the Pacific Ocean using extraordinary adaptations, unlike any true predator. Soft living lights help the vampire squid remain hidden throughout the Pacific Ocean darkness. The Pacific Ocean now enters a realm where sunlight can no longer support ordinary marine life. Dragonfish patrol the Pacific Ocean using invisible red bioluminescent light to locate unsuspecting prey. Nearly transparent bodies help Pacific Ocean creatures avoid detection within the fading underwater light. Glass squid become almost invisible while silently crossing the mysterious Pacific Ocean depths. Brief flashes of living light reveal the extraordinary beauty hidden within the Pacific Ocean darkness. Every glowing organism contributes to the Pacific Ocean's breathtaking underwater night sky. Only a few meters remain before the Pacific Ocean enters permanent darkness beyond all sunlight. Ahead, the Pacific Ocean midnight zone begins, where darkness completely replaces the fading light. The Pacific Ocean now reaches the final boundary between fading daylight and endless darkness. Marine snow slowly carries precious nutrients toward the deepest Pacific Ocean ecosystems below. Falling organic particles provide essential nourishment for countless Pacific Ocean creatures living below. Only scattered living lights now interrupt the endless darkness of the Pacific Ocean depths. The Pacific Ocean midnight zone begins, where sunlight never returns and darkness becomes absolute. Only living lights illuminate this mysterious Pacific Ocean realm, hidden beneath unimaginable depths. Every flash of light signals survival within one of the Pacific Ocean's harshest environments. Remarkable deep-sea animals rely upon light instead of sunlight throughout the Pacific Ocean midnight zone. Countless Pacific Ocean species remain undiscovered within these vast, unexplored underwater depths. The deeper we travel, the more mysterious the Pacific Ocean becomes, beneath eternal darkness. Bioluminescent Atolla jellyfish silently illuminate brief moments within the Pacific Ocean's endless night. Every living light reveals another remarkable survival strategy hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean. Marine snow delivers precious nutrients, sustaining life throughout the deepest Pacific Ocean ecosystems every day. Every drifting particle provides essential nourishment within the nutrient-limited Pacific Ocean depths. Hidden Pacific Ocean ecosystems continue thriving despite permanent darkness and crushing underwater pressure. Every depth within the Pacific Ocean supports uniquely specialized animals shaped by millions of years of evolution. The farther we descend, the stranger the Pacific Ocean becomes beneath permanent darkness. Ahead, another extraordinary Pacific Ocean ecosystem begins across the immense abyssal seafloor. The Pacific Ocean abyssal plain stretches farther than any landscape ever witnessed beneath the sea. Giant sea spiders survive within the Pacific Ocean through extraordinary adaptations to crushing underwater pressure. Ancient glass sponges quietly filter Pacific Ocean waters while supporting hidden communities of marine life. Every falling particle remains essential for sustaining life across the deepest Pacific Ocean habitats. The immense Pacific Ocean floor remains one of Earth's least explored and most mysterious environments. Far ahead, isolated underwater mountains create entirely different Pacific Ocean ecosystems, hidden from the world. These remote underwater mountains attract extraordinary Pacific Ocean species from every surrounding abyssal habitat. Rising from the Pacific Ocean abyss, isolated seamounts become thriving islands of life beneath the sea. Towering seamounts concentrate Pacific Ocean currents, creating remarkable habitats for countless marine species. Ancient deep-sea corals flourish upon Pacific Ocean seamounts, despite permanent darkness and immense pressure. Hidden coral forests transform isolated Pacific Ocean mountains into extraordinary underwater ecosystems. Deep-sea grenadiers patrol Pacific Ocean seamounts, searching patiently for every available source of food. Ancient glass sponges quietly support hidden Pacific Ocean communities across these isolated underwater mountains. Feather stars capture drifting nutrients carried continuously through Pacific Ocean seamount ecosystems. Increasing ocean currents deliver fresh nutrients, supporting exceptional biodiversity throughout the Pacific Ocean seamount. Near the summit, Pacific Ocean seamounts attract larger hunters gathering around these underwater oases. Near every Pacific Ocean seamount summit, abundant marine life attracts increasingly powerful ocean predators. The ancient six-gill shark patrols Pacific Ocean seamounts, where deep-sea prey gathers in remarkable abundance. Silent movements allow deep Pacific Ocean predators to approach unsuspecting prey with extraordinary precision. Strong Pacific Ocean currents concentrate marine life around isolated underwater mountains throughout the abyss. Large sea fans flourish where Pacific Ocean currents deliver continuous streams of microscopic nourishment. Ancient bamboo corals record centuries of Pacific Ocean history within their slowly growing skeletons. These remarkable coral forests create lasting shelter for countless Pacific Ocean deep-sea organisms. Highly intelligent octopuses investigate every hidden corner of Pacific Ocean seamount ecosystems, searching for prey. From above, isolated Pacific Ocean seamounts resemble thriving islands surrounded by an immense underwater desert. Beyond this underwater mountain, another extraordinary Pacific Ocean seamount ecosystem awaits exploration. Every Pacific Ocean seamount creates another isolated sanctuary where extraordinary deep-sea life continues to flourish. Ancient black corals slowly expand across Pacific Ocean seamounts over many centuries beneath the sea. Massive spider crabs carefully navigate the rugged Pacific Ocean terrain, searching patiently for every available meal. Sea lilies extend delicate arms into Pacific Ocean currents, capturing drifting nutrients with remarkable efficiency. These elegant filter feeders create another remarkable layer within Pacific Ocean seamount biodiversity. Ancient chimeras continue thriving across Pacific Ocean seamounts, with evolutionary adaptations spanning millions of years. Powerful Pacific Ocean currents transform isolated underwater mountains into extraordinary centers of marine productivity. Beyond these thriving seamounts, the Pacific Ocean reveals one final extraordinary deep-sea sanctuary. Far beyond the seamounts, the Pacific Ocean shelters another remarkable sanctuary, hidden beneath eternal darkness. Ancient coral gardens quietly flourish across the Pacific Ocean, despite crushing pressure and complete darkness. Slow ocean currents nourish fragile Pacific Ocean coral forests, hidden far below the surface. Towering glass sponges create lasting shelter for countless Pacific Ocean organisms beneath the abyss. Vast sponge fields quietly support remarkable biodiversity across isolated Pacific Ocean deep-sea habitats. Only a fraction of the Pacific Ocean's hidden ecosystems has ever been explored by science. Beyond these peaceful habitats, the Pacific Ocean conceals even deeper geological mysteries waiting below.
Ahead, the Pacific Ocean descends toward its deepest trench, where the greatest underwater mysteries still remain.
The Pacific Ocean now descends toward the deepest and least explored environment on Earth. Immense trench walls preserve millions of years of Pacific Ocean geological history beneath the sea. Only the most specialized marine animals survive within the deepest Pacific Ocean trench habitats. Tiny scavengers quietly recycle nutrients throughout the deepest Pacific Ocean ecosystem every single day. The deepest Pacific Ocean floor remains one of Earth's last truly unexplored frontiers beneath the sea. Its immense dimensions remind us how little humanity truly understands the Pacific Ocean depths. Our journey now begins, rising from the deepest Pacific Ocean toward brighter underwater worlds once again. Higher waters reveal new marine environments shaped by light, currents, and extraordinary ocean migrations. Our Pacific Ocean journey now rises toward the living highways of migrating marine life, where another extraordinary chapter begins. Ascending through the Pacific Ocean reveals the great migration routes connecting distant marine ecosystems. Billions of fish migrate across the Pacific Ocean, following ancient routes, guided by instinct and ocean currents. These synchronized migrations become one of the Pacific Ocean's most breathtaking natural spectacles every year. Powerful yellowfin tuna closely follow Pacific Ocean migrations, where enormous schools of Pacific sardines provide abundant feeding opportunities. Dolphins skillfully cooperate while hunting along the Pacific Ocean's remarkable migration highways. Every Pacific Ocean migration supports an extraordinary chain of marine predators and prey. When danger appears, countless fish unite into breathtaking defensive formations across the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean becomes a dramatic stage where survival depends upon perfect timing and cooperation.
Ahead, even larger Pacific Ocean hunters prepare to join one of nature's greatest migrations. Larger Pacific Ocean predators arrive as the Great Migration reaches its most dramatic moment.
Yellowfin tuna travel immense Pacific Ocean distances with astonishing speed, endurance, and hunting precision.
Every successful attack depends upon perfect coordination within the fast-moving Pacific Ocean migration.
Striped marlins strike with extraordinary speed while following Pacific Ocean migrations across vast open waters.
Sea lions exploit Pacific Ocean migrations with remarkable agility beneath the constantly moving schools. Every Pacific Ocean predator relies upon different hunting strategies during these extraordinary seasonal migrations.
Cooperative dolphins transform Pacific Ocean migrations into spectacular displays of intelligence and teamwork.
Beyond this spectacular gathering, giant whales continue one of the Pacific Ocean's longest migrations. Young whales learn ancient Pacific Ocean migration routes by remaining close beside their experienced mothers. Generations of whales preserve Pacific Ocean migration knowledge through lifelong family journeys beneath the sea. Humpback whales travel immense Pacific Ocean distances, guided by instinct, currents, and seasonal change. Powerful whale songs travel extraordinary distances through the vast Pacific Ocean every single season. Synchronized surfacing reflects the extraordinary rhythm guiding Pacific Ocean giants throughout their endless migration. The Pacific Ocean connects marine mammals and seabirds through shared migration pathways across immense distances. Ahead, another timeless Pacific Ocean traveler, begins an equally remarkable migration across the sea. Ancient sea turtles navigate the Pacific Ocean using remarkable instincts refined across millions of years. Every Pacific Ocean migration leads sea turtles toward the same distant nesting beaches generation after generation.
Female green sea turtles cross immense Pacific Ocean distances before returning to the beaches where life began.
Different sea turtle species rely upon Pacific Ocean reefs for food, shelter, and essential resting places. Leatherback turtles complete extraordinary Pacific Ocean migrations while searching for abundant jellyfish across vast waters. Seasonal jellyfish blooms guide Pacific Ocean leatherback turtles across remarkable migration routes every year. Each surfacing renews these remarkable Pacific Ocean travelers before another long underwater journey begins. Far ahead, graceful manta rays begin another extraordinary Pacific Ocean migration across open waters. Another magnificent Pacific Ocean migration unfolds as giant manta rays travel between distant underwater worlds. Giant manta rays travel enormous Pacific Ocean distances while following seasonal ocean currents and plankton blooms. Every graceful movement allows manta rays to conserve energy throughout their remarkable Pacific Ocean migrations. Seasonal plankton blooms sustain countless Pacific Ocean giants during their extraordinary journeys across open waters. Rare gatherings reveal the remarkable social behavior hidden within Pacific Ocean manta ray populations. As migrations continue beyond the horizon, another hidden Pacific Ocean world quietly awaits our arrival. Far below the migration highways, the Pacific Ocean conceals extraordinary geological landscapes shaped through millions of years. Ahead, towering Pacific Ocean underwater landscapes reveal another remarkable chapter beneath the sea. Our Pacific Ocean journey now enters spectacular underwater landscapes, where geology and marine life become inseparably connected. Immense underwater canyons reveal another extraordinary Pacific Ocean landscape shaped across millions of geological years. Towering canyon walls provide shelter for remarkable Pacific Ocean species hidden beneath the sea. Strong Pacific Ocean currents continually transport nutrients through these immense underwater valleys every single day. Ancient geological formations preserve the extraordinary history of the Pacific Ocean beneath the sea.
Eagle rays navigate Pacific Ocean canyons with effortless precision while searching for hidden marine prey.
Large sea fans flourish where Pacific Ocean currents continuously deliver microscopic drifting nourishment. Ancient sponges quietly filter Pacific Ocean waters while supporting hidden underwater communities every day. Filtered sunlight transforms Pacific Ocean canyons into breathtaking underwater landscapes unlike any other habitat. Marine mammals regularly explore Pacific Ocean canyons, where abundant marine life gathers throughout every season. Farther ahead, the Pacific Ocean Canyon reveals spectacular underwater formations sculpted by ancient geological forces. Ancient Pacific Ocean rock arches reveal millions of years of continuous underwater geological transformation. These spectacular Pacific Ocean formations provide safe passage for countless migrating marine species beneath the sea. Soft corals quietly flourish, where Pacific Ocean currents continuously deliver nutrients through the underwater canyon. Hidden predators patiently wait inside Pacific Ocean canyon shelters before striking unsuspecting marine prey. Cup corals decorate Pacific Ocean canyon walls despite receiving no direct sunlight beneath the sea. Countless crustaceans quietly recycle nutrients across the productive Pacific Ocean canyon ecosystem every day.
Large rock lobsters thrive within protected Pacific Ocean canyons, where rocky shelters provide constant security.
Dense schools of fish transform Pacific Ocean canyons into vibrant underwater highways filled with life. Ahead, a hidden Pacific Ocean cave reveals another mysterious habitat, carved deep beneath the sea. Hidden beneath the Pacific Ocean, immense underwater caves shelter remarkable marine life rarely witnessed by humans. Ancient Pacific Ocean caves preserve extraordinary geological formations created over countless millions of years. Protected cave environments allow fragile Pacific Ocean corals to flourish beneath the sea.
Many Pacific Ocean predators seek shelter within underwater caves between periods of active hunting.
Sheltered Pacific Ocean caves provide safe refuge for countless smaller marine species every day. Extraordinary mineral formations silently record the Pacific Ocean's ancient geological history beneath the sea. Scattered sunlight briefly illuminates hidden Pacific Ocean chambers, concealed beneath rugged coastal landscapes. Strong Pacific Ocean currents continually refresh these underwater caves with oxygen and drifting nutrients. Beyond these hidden caves, the Pacific Ocean coastline reveals another spectacular marine environment shaped by waves. Ahead, powerful Pacific Ocean waves create one of the planet's most dynamic coastal ecosystems. Powerful Pacific Ocean waves constantly reshape these rugged coastal reefs through relentless natural forces. Small reef fish survive the Pacific Ocean surf by seeking shelter among ancient coastal rocks. Sea anemones firmly anchor themselves against the Pacific Ocean's relentless coastal currents every day. Pacific Ocean tide pools become miniature worlds, supporting extraordinary biodiversity between every passing wave.
Sea urchins graze continuously across Pacific Ocean reefs, shaping coastal ecosystems through persistent feeding.
Towering coastal cliffs withstand the immense power of Pacific Ocean waves through countless centuries. The Pacific Ocean coastline demonstrates the remarkable relationship between powerful geology and thriving marine life. Beyond these dramatic coastlines, the Pacific Ocean reveals one final extraordinary chapter before our journey concludes. Leaving the rugged coastline behind, the Pacific Ocean opens into another breathtaking marine wilderness. Sunlight fuels countless Pacific Ocean ecosystems, stretching far beyond every visible horizon beneath the sea. Immense schools of fish continue shaping life throughout the Pacific Ocean every single passing season. Pacific Ocean dolphins thrive by following seasonal migrations, connecting distant marine habitats across immense waters. The Pacific Ocean's greatest giant reminds us of nature's astonishing beauty and incredible resilience. Our remarkable exploration continues toward the Pacific Ocean's future, where new discoveries still await beneath the sea. Even after this journey, humanity has explored only a small fraction of the vast Pacific Ocean. Our Pacific Ocean journey now reveals why protecting Earth's greatest marine ecosystem has never been more important. Healthy Pacific Ocean coral reefs support extraordinary biodiversity while protecting countless marine species every single day. Ancient Pacific Ocean sea turtles depend upon thriving reefs and healthy coastal ecosystems throughout their lives. Healthy Pacific Ocean habitats allow intelligent marine mammals to thrive across vast underwater migration routes. Remote Pacific Ocean islands remain essential sanctuaries, supporting marine life across enormous ocean distances. Abundant marine life demonstrates the incredible resilience of balanced Pacific Ocean ecosystems beneath the sea.
Ahead, remarkable Pacific Ocean conservation successes reveal how nature can recover when carefully protected.
Protected Pacific Ocean sanctuaries allow extraordinary marine ecosystems to recover and flourish through time. Healthy Pacific Ocean reefs demonstrate nature's remarkable ability to restore balance when given lasting protection. Thriving Pacific Ocean predator populations reflect the strength of balanced and protected marine ecosystems. Protected Pacific Ocean habitats allow remarkable cleaning stations to support healthy marine life every day. Expansive Pacific Ocean seagrass meadows provide essential feeding grounds for ancient sea turtle populations.
Protected Pacific Ocean migration routes help whales and dolphins safely complete extraordinary seasonal journeys.
Ahead, The Pacific Ocean reveals why protecting this extraordinary world remains humanity's greatest shared responsibility. Every Pacific Ocean sunrise reminds us this extraordinary marine world continues supporting life across our planet.
Protected Pacific Ocean coral reefs remain among Earth's richest reservoirs of marine biodiversity beneath the sea.
Healthy Pacific Ocean ecosystems allow intelligent marine mammals to flourish across vast underwater landscapes. Every thriving Pacific Ocean habitat strengthens another link within the planet's extraordinary marine ecosystem. Successful Pacific Ocean conservation allows magnificent whales to continue ancient migrations across immense waters.
Balanced Pacific Ocean ecosystems demonstrate nature's remarkable resilience when marine habitats remain protected.
Every Pacific Ocean ecosystem contributes to the remarkable balance sustaining life throughout Earth's largest ocean.
Even today, vast Pacific Ocean regions remain unexplored, promising extraordinary discoveries for future generations.
Much of the Pacific Ocean remains unexplored, holding countless discoveries beyond the reach of modern science.
Protected Pacific Ocean ecosystems demonstrate how conservation allows nature to recover with remarkable resilience. From space, the Pacific Ocean reveals the extraordinary scale of Earth's greatest living marine ecosystem. Every Pacific Ocean habitat connects through powerful currents, sustaining life across nearly half our planet. Countless Pacific Ocean ecosystems work together to maintain one extraordinary underwater world beneath the sea. Every migration across the Pacific Ocean reflects millions of years of remarkable evolutionary adaptation. Hidden Pacific Ocean landscapes remain among the most spectacular and least explored places on Earth. Every Pacific Ocean habitat contributes to the balance, supporting extraordinary biodiversity across the blue planet. Protecting the Pacific Ocean ensures future generations can witness this remarkable marine world in all its beauty. Our extraordinary Pacific Ocean expedition now reaches its final chapter, where every discovery becomes one lasting memory. One final Pacific Ocean chapter remains, celebrating the timeless beauty and enduring legacy of Earth's greatest ocean. Our final Pacific Ocean chapter celebrates the greatest marine ecosystem ever formed upon the Earth. The Pacific Ocean connects thousands of remarkable habitats into one extraordinary living network across the planet. Every Pacific Ocean reef supports countless marine species that depend upon healthy underwater ecosystems for survival. The Pacific Ocean remains home to the largest animals ever living upon our extraordinary blue planet. Every Pacific Ocean migration demonstrates the remarkable harmony connecting marine life across immense distances.
Hidden Pacific Ocean landscapes preserve extraordinary geological stories spanning millions of years beneath the sea.
Healthy Pacific Ocean ecosystems continue inspiring scientists, explorers, and future generations around the world. The Pacific Ocean reminds humanity that Earth's greatest treasures often remain hidden beneath the sea. From space, the Pacific Ocean reveals the breathtaking scale of Earth's interconnected living systems. Even after this incredible journey, the Pacific Ocean still holds countless mysteries waiting beneath the sea. The Pacific Ocean still conceals extraordinary mysteries beyond the limits of human exploration beneath the sea. Thriving Pacific Ocean coral reefs remain the foundation supporting extraordinary underwater biodiversity beneath the sea. The blue whale symbolizes the extraordinary strength, beauty, and resilience of the Pacific Ocean. Every Pacific Ocean migration connects marine mammals, seabirds, and countless underwater ecosystems across the planet. Together, these Pacific Ocean habitats form Earth's largest and most extraordinary interconnected marine ecosystem. As our journey nears its conclusion, the Pacific Ocean continues inspiring wonder, discovery, and lasting respect. The Pacific Ocean continues reminding humanity how deeply every living system depends upon the sea. The Pacific Ocean unites giant whales and agile dolphins within one extraordinary marine ecosystem. Remote Pacific Ocean islands remain vital refuges, preserving biodiversity across Earth's greatest marine wilderness.
Pacific Ocean skies remain as alive as the remarkable marine world beneath the waves.
The immense Pacific Ocean reminds us how much of Earth's greatest wilderness still remains unexplored. Our remarkable Pacific Ocean journey now reaches its final moments, celebrating Earth's greatest natural masterpiece. The Pacific Ocean remains Earth's greatest marine masterpiece, inspiring endless wonder across every generation. Every Pacific Ocean ecosystem contributes to the remarkable balance sustaining life beneath the sea.
The Pacific Ocean continues protecting the largest animals ever known upon our extraordinary blue planet.
Together, these remarkable Pacific Ocean species reveal the extraordinary harmony of marine life. Remote Pacific Ocean islands remain timeless sanctuaries, preserving extraordinary biodiversity across the world's largest ocean.
Every Pacific Ocean habitat connects within one extraordinary living system, supporting life across the blue planet. Every Pacific Ocean wave carries the story of millions of years of extraordinary natural evolution.
Our unforgettable Pacific Ocean expedition becomes a lasting tribute to Earth's greatest marine wilderness. One final Pacific Ocean scene remains before our extraordinary journey reaches its unforgettable conclusion. Our Pacific Ocean journey ends where endless horizons remind us nature's greatest masterpiece still lives beneath the sea. Together, these remarkable Pacific Ocean species represent millions of years of successful evolution beneath the sea. The Pacific Ocean's greatest giant continues its timeless migration beyond every visible horizon beneath the sea. Across the Pacific Ocean, every wave carries countless stories, waiting for future explorers to discover. Protecting the Pacific Ocean means protecting the extraordinary future of life upon our shared blue world. Thank you for exploring the Pacific Ocean, where Earth's greatest marine mysteries will continue inspiring humanity forever.